Look at this stuff. Ah! This is all like PR. Is it considered PR? I don't know. By the way, this shirt is my dad's. There's like a bunch of holes in it, but I love it. Super hobo vibes, and I love hobo vibes at times. The first thing I have here is this Lumina Skin Essentials Derma Peel Micro. No, what? So the first thing I have here is this Lumina Derma Peel Micro Dermabrasion. I have never used anything like this before, but I'm super excited to try it. So it comes with a sensitive and then a intensive one. We're just gonna open that. They're like shoe boxes. You know how they have one on top of the other? I showed this on my Instagram, so if you don't follow me on there, you should. So it comes with like a little pamphlet. This is so nice. Look at this quality. And then it comes with a charging port. Like that. I need to charge this so I can use it. I'm so excited to try this. Oh my good gravy. This is a skincare brand that I've never heard of, but they reached out to me and asked if I wanted to try some of their products, and I'm a skincare junkie. If you've been following me for a while, you know that. Right now, I have a really good skincare routine that's working well for me. So when you implement new skincare products, you want to be careful. You don't want to try a zillion things at once. And when you try a new product, you want to try that for 2 weeks to see if it actually works well for your skin. You want to consistently try it throughout those 2 weeks. And then if you find that it doesn't work for your skin, give it up. Maybe give it to someone else, return it. But it usually is a 2-week span to see if it's actually going to work well for you. So just keep that in mind, because I know that, you know, sometimes we get a little bit impatient and we're like, oh my gosh, it's not even working within 2 days. But it needs time to work with your skin. So this is called elevatione. It's super freaking fancy. I can't even deal with it. It's created by Salvador Dali. You can definitely see artistic work in this package. So I'm going to show you guys what they sent over. This is the eye cream, and look at the inside. Oh my gosh, it's just beautiful. This eye cream is astronomically huge. I don't put eye cream only under my eyes. I also do it around my mouth, on the backs of my ears. So this is exciting. This is the elevatione Time Stops Repair Your Youth Eye Bless Calming Cream. It's homemade herbal infusion of hibiscus, raspberry, and rose, enriched with Revive Eye Planted Complex and hyaluronic acid. What? It actually smells more herbally. This is a nice consistency too. I'm so excited to try this stuff. I also sent over the Gala Results Box, Age Beautifully Capsule AA Plus Technology. Look at this. How beautiful. I'm flipping out right now. I don't know if you can tell, but I'm flipping out. It comes with the Age Beautifully Boosting Drops, a face serum, and then a face cream of SPF 50, which I love SPF. I wear it every day when I go to work, put it all over my face, my neck, and the back of my hands. I also appreciate that they have the expiration date on the back. Oh my gosh, that smells really good, that face serum, and it feels like freaking silk. I'm astonished that they even wanted to send me any of this stuff, but I'm so grateful and so freaking thrilled. It feels like water. When I get new skincare products, I always read the boxes because I want to know what it's supposed to do, what it's made with. And then they sent over this, look at this big honking thing. This box, oh my gosh. This box feels like it could survive a war zone. This is the Sculptura 3D face sculpting device. Oh, look at how cute. Look at this. This is so freaking cool. I'm assuming you go like this. This reminds me of the new face that I have. I can't even believe it. Like, this is just so nice of them to send all of this stuff. I can't even. Oh, it's so freaking sweet. And then this big honking thing. Look at how freaking beautiful this is. This could be a really nice travel makeup bag. Wow, it's another device. What the heck is this? Oh, no way. So okay, so the infrared light, this is what they do at spas for facials and stuff like that. You do under your eyes, forehead, the face, supposed to help with fine lines. So that's amazing. Oh my gosh. Okay. The quality of this, I get so excited about skincare. Oh my, there's just no words. I am beyond grateful. Those are the things that I have to share with you guys. I can't wait to use them. I actually have to film today's video, which is going to be the Q&A. I asked you guys to send over a few questions pertaining to me. Nothing about law enforcement. I'm gonna get ready and film that video. Hello, hi, welcome to Wednesday. Just took my vitamins and I also took 2 of those suya shots. I just woke up and felt as if I needed them. It's just one of those days, you know? It is already 1 o'clock in the afternoon. I'm trying to do a lot of like social media related work. Woohoo, we got a package. This is from Liquid IV, which you all know that I'm an affiliate with them. Love their products. Let's open this up and see what's in there. Alrighty. I'm just so grateful. Oh my gosh. They sell Liquid IV and passion fruit at Costco, but now you'll be able to get the energy multiplier at Costco. It is equivalent to 2 cups of coffee, and it comes with 24 packets. They're looking in the health and beauty aisle. Constant state of awesome. How cute is that? Huge thank you to Liquid IV. Now I am probably gonna get ready. Now I'm probably gonna get ready so that I can take pictures, film, and all that stuff for Instagram and YouTube. Oh my gosh, look at how low I am. I have no regular Liquid IV packets, so I'm gonna have to order more of the sea berry. The sea berry was so good. So this little guy can go in there, and then that can go right there. So I just finished doing my makeup. I did like a little Snapchat type thing over there with the whole makeup situation. So if you don't follow me on Snapchat, make sure that you do. Oh, that's how you can bring down the brightness. After I get these pictures taken, I really need to organize some of my drawers over here. Just finished taking the photos that I needed to take, for this little guy over here. I want to designate like a skincare device in one of these drawers, so that's what I'm gonna work on right now, just to see if I can maybe, yeah, these are all extra brushes and whatnot, and like brush cleaner, so I'm probably gonna keep that. This is hair tools. I wonder if I can combine hair tools with the hair products, because I actually don't have a lot of hair products. That is what I'm going to work on right now. Welcome to the nighttime. This under sink situation is driving me bonkers. I need to do something with this. Okay, so I had to switch some stuff around. This is gonna be the tools drawer. I wanna organize it a little bit better later on, but as long as everything's basically in the same drawer, it's fine. And then I just put my nail stuff all together, and then hair stuff, and then brushes. You guys, I just got locked out of my apartment. It was so ridiculous. So I went to go clean. I'm gonna show you. I've been cleaning my apartment, just doing like sweeping, vacuuming, dusting, all that stuff, and I really wanted to clean this window because the girls sit here and they get like nose smudge marks on them. So I cleaned this side of the window, but I wanted to clean the outside, and so I pulled these back. I put this lever up against this wall, but it always freaking falls down, which is so irritating. So I put that up. I opened up this door, went to shut the door while I was outside. I heard the lever fall, and I'm like, oh no. I spent like 30 minutes trying to figure out what the hell to do. I knocked on a couple neighbors' doors. They weren't home. I did not have my phone because my phone was in my apartment, so I couldn't call anyone. And I just like sat there and was like, how am I supposed to get in here? I had locked my front door because I just came in from bringing out the trash, and I had locked my windows because I turned on the air conditioning. So everything was locked. I'm wearing this shirt with my cans just flopping everywhere. I had slippers on, so it was just such a mess. I finally went over because I live next to the office, so I went over to the office next door to me, and luckily there was a phone on the outside with the main office phone numbers, so that literally saved me. If that wasn't there, I don't even know how I would be in my apartment right now. That's my fun for the day. You guys are probably like, why the hell do you always wear that t-shirt? It's my grandpa's shirt. He's no longer with us. And I just love how long and big it is. So today, back to regular scheduled programming. Happy Monday. I am off today, which is exciting. Today I am going to the spa. I think that that's such a good way for people in general to just relax. I know a lot of you have asked how I like to decompress, de-stress after a shift of policing, and I'm gonna do a video like that in the near future. This is one of my favorite things that I love doing. Now I just need to pack up my stuff that I'm bringing. I got this from Amazon. This is the same spa that I went to a couple months ago where there was a steam room, and that's what led me to buy a facial steamer. I'm going to film a new police gear video. I kind of like the idea of sharing with you guys different police gear that I get. I did get new uniform pants and shirts. They're a different material. I did get new boots. I got a few new things to wear on my belt and my vest. Just got out of the shower. Pink galore. So once a week, I like to do my laser hair removal routine. So that is what I'm gonna do right now. The one that I use is from Kenzi. This is what it looks like, and I've enjoyed it so far. I think that it actually does decrease the growth of hair. I find that I don't have to shave as often, which is fantastic. It doesn't laser until it feels skin contact. There's a button on the back. You press that. That's level 1, level 2, level 3, level 4, and level 5. I'm actually on level 5 now. Just kind of going through my skincare cabinet and bringing things that I want to use in the steam room. So I'm definitely going to bring this Ulla Hendrickson Transform Instant Lemon Facial Peel, the elevatione Age Beautifully Face Serum. This is so freaking good. So smoothing on the skin. I love it. So I'm going to bring that to apply, and then I think after I do the facial peel, I would like to go on something that's really hydrating. I think I'm gonna bring this. I also am gonna pack a little head towel, boosting drops from Elevatione. Egyptian Magic, which is a balm that helps with rashes, irritation. So I think this would be really nice to apply all over my body this summer Friday.